You ever wonder if AI is helping you or hurting you? Because there's a fine line between using AI as a tool and leaning on it as a crutch. And today, I want to talk about that. This video was my idea. I brought it to life not because AI handed it to me, but because I used AI in the way it should be used to support, not to replace. Here's the thing. A tool is something that helps you do the job better. It's like a hammer. You need the skill to build something, but it saves you time and effort. AI, in this sense, is a tool that can help you brainstorm ideas, come up with engaging titles, polish your grammar, or organize your thoughts. A crutch, on the other hand, is what you lean on when you can't walk. You use it because something is broken. If you're using AI to do everything for you, to think for you, create for you, heck, even speak for you, then you're no longer glowing or even growing in your own skills. You're just leaning on something that won't make you better in the long run. And on crutch, I just recently met a friend who had due to a disability, she uses a crutch. And what I can say about her is that it doesn't show that this person is just relying on it so much, because of she even moves faster than me, in base walking speed. So you can see how that even a crutch, you can actually turn a crutch into a tool, but it doesn't mean that you keep on depending on it or you keep on using it as an excuse. Because of this happens frequently. I see it on many videos. I know that you can't speak well. I know that I can't do that, but you can actually use it to train to get better. I look back at my older videos and I just kind of cringe at it. You can go check out some of them, like my videos from 6 months ago. I was so disorganized in my thoughts and processes, and thank goodness those videos didn't even do well, because they weren't even okay enough. That's just it. But when I made this video, while I'm making this video, because I'm recording this right now, I didn't tell ChatGPT to make the idea for me. I had the idea. I came up with it. I didn't just want to type the whole thing on a touch screen because of, honestly, touch screen typing, not my thing. Regular typing, yes, I can do that. So touch screen typing, not really. So the raw idea here was my doing. And I said, hey, help me phrase this in a way that makes sense and has flow. And that's what AI did. That's what the AI I used did. It took my idea and sharpened it, not replaced it. That's the key difference. Look, this isn't just about ideas and stuff. This is also about YouTube. It's about the mindset we carry as individuals, as creators. AI should enhance your creativity, not replace it. Just like calculators were once seen as brain killers and computers were seen as making people lazy, it depends on how you use the tool. If you use AI to speed up your workflow, clean up your grammar, or even structure your ideas, that's very smart. But if you use it to avoid thinking altogether, you're robbing yourself of growth. You're handing over your creative muscles and asking the AI to lift the weight for you. So, don't let AI weaken you. Let it sharpen you. Use it to enhance, not to escape. That's how you build something that lasts, something that actually reflects you. And that's all for the video. Goodbye.